Hello friends, in our today lesson we will discuss how we can manage our research data on Excel or CSV file for analysis in R. R gives errors when your data is not properly arranged in data sheet. I can say that maximum error comes due to not proper entrance of data in Excel sheet. So in our today lesson we will try to explain how you can arrange data in proper way to reduce the chances of errors during your R script. So the main steps in data arrangement in Excel and CSVRs, we will see that treatments and parameters, how we can write treatments in start and then parameters of our data. Then there should be no space in our your factors and parameters, and all your data should be left alignments, and no space in file names, no other text or number except your data. R deals with only one data sheet. You do not need many Excel sheets, sheets like we see in our daily routine that people have separate file, statistical analysis, and for graphic. So they have many files to do. R deals with only one file. So you can the CSV file all enter your maximum many years data, long data in single data sheet, and in R you can silent some one factors and within factors some levels, and we will see in our next lesson how you can do that. So easily you can do that. Then all text should be in small letters, so all your text and parameters name, factors name, all should be small. So we should be remain consistent through all our data sheets. Then missing values, if you have do not any replication data, one replication data, so it do not give you problem during R analysis. So don't worry if one replication in one your part destroy during your experiment. So don't be worried about that, R will deal with it. So we come to so we have and we have this data where we have three factors. Factor one is the irrigations. In our irrigation we have two levels, normal and skip irrigation. Factors two, we have mulch, and in mulch we have four levels: control, plastic mulch, rice straw, and sawdust. And third factor is our nitrogen rates: 0, 75, 150. So we have three factors data, and then we have replication, three replication, 1, 2, and 3. So first of all we have to complete counts and how many cells will become if we have this data. Factor 2 have 2 levels, factor 4 has 4 levels, factor 3 has 3 levels. So replication has 3, so total our cells should be become 72. So we will see that these our cells are 72 or not. So we will run it. We will come to our data now. So this is our data sheets, and you can see that first we have to count that it becomes 72 or not. So you can see in blue tab, below tab, that these are the 72. So our cells are completed. So we have to know, see that further. You see that in first column I write mulches, in first column I write irrigation, and in second column mulches, and in third column are nitrogen rates. So these I have put, and then replication. So these all are your factors, and then your parameters. We have measured that plant height, span values, podium pole, ball weight, shield, and how many you have, it's not problem. So enters all your data in one Excel sheet. So don't enter data in many sheets, or will do that. I say that if you want to skip normal irrigations and you reduce to normal irrigation, we can silent in or our R commands. If we silent total factors much, R can do that. So you have to enter all your data in one sheet. And other is I said that no space should be in the name of parameters or in your statement. So I write it nitrogen underscore rates. So if you write nitrogen rates and give space between them, or do not understand that is a single space and or a double space, so our chances of error become maximum if you give them space. So try to not give any space between the names of parameters and the names of factors. And also in file name data underscore carton, so you have to write and do not give space between name of file also. Then all your data should be left side alignment. So you have left side alignment, so all your data should be one-sided. So if you give a center, it may be give error or do not understand this is single space or double space, so your chances of error become maximum in all. And one more important thing is that you do not give any other text or data except your data. If I write here or, so or will also read that. If I read 1 and 2, or will read, so your file must contain only data set. No other text or number should be present in your file. Or missing values, I said that if your one values become missing, so R will deal with it. So you don't be worried with that. So keep it as a blank cell. So R will read it. So this is our lesson, today lessons. So in our today lesson, we understand that the treatment and parameters, we write down first treatments and then parameters. Then there should be no space in our factors and parameters. All your data should be left alignment. Then no space in file name, no other text number except your data, or takes with only one data sheet. You do not need maximum data sheet, and missing values in or if your replication is missing, if you have bought this time, so don't be worried about that. So these are the steps when you manage your data and when you put your data. So you arrange all your data in that stuff. So in our next videos, you can follow and you can do statistical analysis or graphical analysis easily, and the script and the data of this lesson will available in our description. Thank you very much.